Are you looking for the best M5 Mini PC? In this video, we will show 4 best M5 Mini PC. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 4. Geekom IT15, the most powerful AI mini PC with Intel Ultra 9 285H 99 TOPS, 32GB DDR5, 2TB SSD, ARC 140T GPU, Wi-Fi 7, 8K quad display, Win 11 Pro, video editing, coding, and multitasking. Specific uses for product: image and video editing, audio processing, music production, business, enterprise IT deployment, gaming, everyday use. Why do many brands offer only 1 year of warranty? They know their limits. The Geekom IT15 desktop computer has proven to deliver 2 to 3 times the average lifespan of competing models. We offers 3 years because we build mini PCs to last. Our confidence comes from superior materials, precision engineering, and rigorous testing. This is our promise, not just words. Buy with confidence, backed by our long-term commitment. It's multi-certified for safety and energy efficiency, FCC, UL, Energy Star, CE, ROHS, ensuring reliable and eco-conscious operation.
Number 3. ACEMAGIC M5 Mini PC, Intel Core i9-14900HX flagship HX class processor, 24C32T, 55 watts, 32GB RAM, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, HDMI 2.0/DP 1.4, Mini PC Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 6E, triple 4K mini computer. Brand: ACEMAGIC. Personal computer design type: Mini PC. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro. CPU model: Intel Core i9. CPU speed: 5.8 GHz. Cache size: 24 MB. Graphics card description: integrated. Graphics coprocessor: Intel Iris Xe graphics eligible. Memory storage capacity: 1 TB. Specific uses for product: 3D modeling, business, education, everyday use, multimedia, photo editing, video editing. HX Class Performance Titan, Intel Core i9-14900HX desktop-grade CPU dominance. Powered by the flagship Intel Core i9-14900HX, this ACEMAGIC Mini PC delivers uncompromising high-performance mini PC power in a compact form factor. As the ultimate mini PC i9, it outperforms mid-range processors by up to 40% plus in multi-core tasks, making it ideal for 3D rendering, large-scale coding, and heavy virtualization. Unlike low-power U-series models, this Intel Mini PC maintains peak clocks without thermal throttling, perfect for professionals who refuse to settle for anything less than flagship performance.
Number 2. GEEKOM A8 Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, Windows 11 Pro desktop computer for home and business, USB 4, SD slot, 8K, Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G LAN. Brand: Geekom. Personal computer design type: Mini PC. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro, support Linux and Ubuntu. CPU model: Ryzen 7. CPU speed: 4.9 GHz. Cache size: 16 MB. Graphics card description: integrated. Graphics coprocessor: AMD Radeon 780M. Memory storage capacity: 16 GB. Specific uses for product: business, office, NAS, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, productivity, creativity, commercial, education, multimedia, photo editing, video editing, everyday use, business, office, NAS, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, productivity, creativity, commercial, education, multimedia, photo editing, video editing, everyday use. Industry supply alert. Facing a severe industry-wide DDR memory shortage driven by massive AI sector demand, Geekom must review its cost structure in the future to maintain the A8's uncompromised quality. Secure your unit now to lock in the current high-value configuration before potential changes.
Number 1. ACEMAGIC M5 Mini PC, Windows 11 Pro. Intel Core i5-14500HX mini computers, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 55-watt HX class processor, 4.9 GHz, Mini PC, triple 4K HDMI/DP, Wi-Fi 6, micro desktop PC for home office business. Brand: ACEMAGIC. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro. CPU model, Intel Core i5, CPU speed, 4.9 GHz, cache size, 24 MB, graphics card description, integrated, graphics coprocessor, Intel Iris Xe graphics eligible, memory storage capacity, 512 GB, specific uses for product, 3D modeling, business, education, everyday use, multimedia, photo editing, video editing, personal computer design type, mini PC. 14-core multitasking beast for heavy workloads, featuring 6 performance cores plus 8 efficient cores. This mini PC Intel i5, also a capable Intel mini PC, keeps clocks high instead of throttling. Run dozens of Chrome tabs, Excel models, coding IDEs, Photoshop, video editing software, and virtual machines simultaneously, with smooth responsiveness. Compared with typical 4-core and 8-thread mini PCs, parallel productivity can improve up to 2 times in real multitasking scenarios, perfect for professionals who need more than basic performance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.